The duodenum is the part of the digestive tract that connects the stomach to the jejunum. It is the first part of the small bowel, the second one being the jejunum and the ileum. The head of the pancreas is embedded within the C-shaped curve of the duodenum. For this reason, the duodenum and pancreas share many anatomical and functional features. The duodenum and pancreas are attached to the posterior wall, unlike the stomach, jejunum, and the ileum, which are mobile. The duodenum is not only a tube ensuring the transmission of chyme between the stomach, ileum, and jejunum, but it also receives bile salts and pancreatic juices in its second part. The bile and pancreatic ducts unite to form the hepatopancreatic ampulla and terminate into a single orifice, the major duodenal papilla. Thus, the secretions that are transported into the duodenal lumen will then participate in the chemical digestion of food through the lipolytic, proteolytic, and glycolytic enzymes they contain. Let's now describe each part of the duodenum, following the sequential path of the food bolus passage. The first, or superior, part of the duodenum begins as a continuation of the pylorus. It is horizontal and lies at the level of the first lumbar vertebra.